All right, guys, we're gonna replace our fuel filter on our Yamaha 25 horse tiller motor. Thomas, you ready, bud?
Yes, sir.
Let's get that sucker off. We've got a longer video that kind of covers this in more detail, but you know, why don't you go ahead and see? Once you go ahead and open that sucker up, we've got a nice little banner here. Subscribe on YouTube. There's our QR code. It's pretty cool. Let me see that bad boy. All right, guys. So this is the current fuel filter. Once you, we're gonna try to.
There will be a little bit of gas.
A little bit of gas spillage. Okay, here we go. All this does is twist off. Okay. Let's see. That actually looks pretty freaking clean,
That's
bro.
pretty nice.
Yep.
Is there anything
I don't see
in
anything.
our water?
I don't see anything in the oil.
Wow.
We're keeping it pretty clean, bro. So that's a good thing. We're going to go ahead and get our new one. Let's see. Should we just put it right in?
Yeah.
I think so.
I
right?
would dump that fuel out.
Dump the fuel out. All right, so we're gonna not dump this on the grass. We're gonna dump it into our container, which is full of engine oil and lower gear lube. Yeah, go ahead. Bingo. We'll take that in and dispose of it the proper way. Clean our cap. There's your new filter.
Oh.
Bingo. Okay, so that's what it looks like inside there. But for whatever reason, this little filter doesn't want to stick.
Guide to stay. I'm gonna go here. Ever so carefully.
You got it to stay with, yeah.
Yeah.
There we go. I like that. Bingo.
Hand tight.
And tight.
It's just plastic, so.
Yeah, you don't want to go too much. Cool.
Beautiful. There's your
Beautiful.
fuel
All
filter.
right. Go ahead and turn the water on, Thomas. Okay. We're peeing. And now we're going to start up. And we're going to check and make sure no fuel comes out. Make sure she doesn't stall. Alright, we're looking good, guys. Thomas, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Fuel filter is has been changed, and
Even though it was pretty clean.
it was pretty clean. Guys, subscribe on YouTube. Please subscribe to our channel. We're having a good time, and our little service is almost done. Stay tuned. Check out the rest of our videos to see how to do lower unit oil. We're doing an impeller. We're doing the thermostat. We're doing spark plugs, changing the motor oil and all that. Thomas, thank you for your help.
Of course.
Because I can't film and do this at the same time.
Getting it done.
You're the man.
Yes, sir.
God bless. Take care.